Is Cash App in Nigeria? This is a question many people have been asking, especially with the rise of digital payment systems. To answer this question, let's first understand what Cash App is. Cash App is a mobile payment service developed by Square, allowing users to transfer money to one another using a mobile phone app. One of the key features of Cash App is its ease of use and accessibility. However, when it comes to Nigeria, the situation is a bit different. Currently, Cash App is not available in Nigeria, meaning users in Nigeria cannot download the app or access its services directly. This is due to certain restrictions and regulations that apply to international money transfers and digital payments in Nigeria. However, there are some alternatives that Nigerians can use to send and receive money internationally. For example, services like PayPal, Payoneer, and World Remit are available in Nigeria and can be used for international money transfers. Additionally, some Nigerian banks also offer digital payment services that can be used to send and receive money internationally. To use these alternatives, users typically need to create an account, verify their identity, and link their bank account or debit card. Once this is done, they can start sending and receiving money internationally. In terms of best practices, it's always important to ensure that you are using a secure and reputable service to send and receive money. This means doing your research, reading reviews, and understanding the fees and charges associated with the service. It's also important to keep your account information and login details secure to prevent unauthorized access. By following these best practices and using the available alternatives, Nigerians can still access digital payment services and send and receive money internationally, even though Cash App is not available. In conclusion, while Cash App is not currently available in Nigeria, there are still many other alternatives that Nigerians can use to send and receive money internationally. By understanding the available options and following best practices, users can ensure secure and convenient digital payments.